Alright guys, you might notice a change of hair today, but the subject of today's video is breaking down the secrets of Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers upon its 20th anniversary of The Return of the King. Now this film's palette isn't just visually stunning, it's a powerful storytelling tool. And we're going to dive in and show you how you can achieve this with your own work. To achieve these looks, you'll want to start with a basic colour grade, adjusting your white balance and your exposure. Next, the key to these looks is using masks to isolate specific colours. Want to create Helm's Deep? Desaturate your image, deepen the shadows and introduce a blue tint. This instantly adds that nighttime cold feel.
Within the colour tab for Fangorn Forest, you'll want to start first by doing your white balance and your general colour correction. Upon this node, you will want to start creating your look. For Fangorn Forest, you want a cool tone whilst making the most of your green colour. With this, you will want to use masks. If you are going to be using any masks that are tracking ones, you will go into the window tab, create your mask, draw it down. For the purposes of this video, it is a very rough mask. You will then want to track, and you can track forward from this point. Once that is done, jump back into the window tab. You will then want to invert your mask. Now, any corrections will be on the surrounding area and not your main character. With this, we'll want to push the green slightly more, and we'll want to push that colder feel. This way, your character stays warm, signifying that hope. You push the greens to the point of your liking, and you've got the basis for Fangorn Forest. You will then want to add further correctors, drop them in on the line, and you can adjust the contrast to make it a little more punchy, and you can bring warmth up ever so slightly. This way, in the shadows, you've got your dark blues. You maintain your green. If you want to adjust your mask, just jump back and then pull on the red handles just to adjust the softness of that mask. Sanity check is always to run the tracker once more. This way it will keep it up to date with exactly what you're wanting.
Remember that colour grading is about enhancing the story. Experiment with different tones to match your scene's mood or the story that you're trying to convey. Try using adjustment layers or LUTs to quickly test different looks. So start experimenting and let the colours speak for you. If you've enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more filmmaking tips and gear reviews. Keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one.